Hey friends, it's Saturday, and if I don't have anything to do, or not really, don't have anything to do, but it's always when my mind is cluttered, I just go to my um, digital files and try to make sense of things. So I'm walking you through here. This is my Google Docs. Like I am, this is not updated, but the way I'm very organized in my work, I also do it in my life. So I have all these Googles for everything, and I think I've shared before how I um, document Onyara and Hannah's life, and also how I'm spending my time. Most people, for the budgeting and finances, that's handled by the husband. So mostly for me, I handled our time tracking. So as you can see here, since I'm very OC, I think I have tracking way before 2021, but in 2021, that's when I decided that I'm gonna do it per group of people. So this is just snaps. So time tracking, that's called Migo and Miga time tracking. So Pamilya July, that's our family, and then Pamilya Julio, that's the husband's family, and then Miga's friends, that's the friends we have via me, all of my friends, and then Pamilya Bida, this is my family, my extended family. Um, with my cousins, and then Pamilya Outdoor, these are all the um, top we have so many outdoor friends, but we do have those few people that when it comes to outdoors, they are our go-to pick. So this is the Pamilya Outdoor, and then Pamilya Sipin, this is my core family, meaning my only three, my mama, my brother, and me. So that's Pamilya Sipin. And then Migo and Miga, that's moments with only me and the husband. Then Migo's friends, so these are the friends that we have from Migo's side, like his high school friends, elementary friends, and all. And then Pamilya Nayang, these are our cousins, so these are the families, um, like relatives of my mama Sipin. So I think that's all, but I haven't, the idea of this one is to like put it over time. I have so many, like through the years, this list has really evolved. In 2021, we don't have yet Onyara's classmates and the all this, and then it doesn't even include my work friends from all the companies that we've been into. But yeah, so yeah, I'm so OC in 2021 that for all the events, like there are I will deep dive the events. So of all the events here, if you see 2021, it has all the listing, the week in the year 2021, the category of the events. So I'm very OC like that. So it can be a beach event, family, mental health, mountain pool. So all those items, and then so what is it, what is the event about, then who I spend it with. So that's the mapping that you see here. So if you see most of the events in 2021 are all Familia July, and then Familia Hodyo 10, Migas 8 6, and then Naya. So you can really see who which how are we spending our time of that year, and I really love it. So and there's also when did it happen and where. Lakadu, this means to laag kat duwa. So we have a, what do you call this, we have a blog before, laag kat duwa, where I usually write about all these things, and right now I'm trying to do it in YouTube, but to be honest, it's not that consistent as well. Yeah, parenting is hard, and why? So it's what you call this, it's more of uh what thing, but I wanted to put a why as well in case there's still items that's needed. And then how, so in the how, I put the YouTube links to that. The idea is, through time, I've become very forgetful of the things that I've been doing. So the plan was to just, write about things, I document them all, and then post on YouTube. But as you can see, it's not very consistent even then. So yeah, that's 2021, and then in 2022, I tried to change things. So the reason being is it's very hard to, I couldn't cope up with all the events, and then make a narrative for everything. So what I tried to do is, this time in 2022, is I wanted to just focus on just taking pictures, but not to document everything. So the idea is, every weekend I have I just drop things into a single this one, photos, um weekend photos. So when I'm, there are times that I wanted to know what was what I did over that weekend. And especially when it's end of the year, I would really feel so uneasy about not knowing where I spend my time. So this has helped me a lot. But yeah, it's not very consistent as well. But I love that the YouTube, there are lots of YouTube links. So it means, although it's not listed here, I was able to do a recording, and I'm happy. So moving on to 2023. So this is now, it gets tricky. If you see here, 2023, that's when Anyana came into our lives, our very precious Anyana. And if you see here, I only have one entry, and that's the husband's birthday at Golden Sun. So it's his 39th birthday. So I did make a video of that, but I don't think that's the only video I have in 2023, because in 2023, so we discovered our pregnancy of Anyana in December 2022. So when 2023 started, it's mostly just about my pregnancy, and delivering Anyana in July 2023, and then the monthly milestones of Anyana until the rest of 2023. And even now in 2025, it still is. And I haven't really got back to a point where, I don't know, sometimes I feel like just I'm moving in through autopilot. But yeah, I'm very intentional on how I want to live my life. So that's why I want to spend some time, maybe every, I don't know, some moments every Saturday, of if I'm at home, to just revisit where I am now, because I feel that I don't know. But yeah, so whenever I'm in that I don't know space, I just go to this time tracking that I have, because I'll be 39 in August. And sometimes I just had this mental, what do you call this, mental, I don't know, tick or mental button in my brain that it's telling me when it's about my birthday, April, May, June, July, August, or 6 months into my birthday, or like the countdown to my birthdays. I wanted to just make sense of how I'm spending that year. I'm not that OC unlike before, but yeah, so this time tracking really helps me to be accountable, and I like to look at my life in a way, by how I'm spending it. Okay, we only have one life, and we're not forever in this world. And I'm really looking forward to go home to heaven. So, and that's why I want to make with each day or each weekend in my life, I don't know, I hope you can remember them. So that's why I'm always documenting and all that. So this is 2024. You can see I have mostly picked up all those activities, so that made me so happy. And yeah, I'm gonna, I don't know, but see, it stops here, 2024, and then now it's 2025. Oh my god, this is crazy. So it's already in April, and I haven't yeah, it's I've changed the format again, and I don't know, I haven't so we're in April now. If you can see here, we're today is April 26th, and it's the 17th week of the 17th week. And Onyara just went into the room right now, and I wanted to tell her that I'm creating this video. And you know, I started doing this in the morning, but then she went into the room again, and you know, that's what happens when you're a mom. You can't really do things without distraction. So I'm gonna stop now, but I think I'm stopped at 2025. The idea here is just to continue doing things. And yeah, I don't know,